Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Discord app. Just open your Discord app and here we need to click on our profile picture in bottom right corner. Now we need to scroll down and then we need to click where it says support. So then we will come to this page right here. Here we need to scroll down again and then click on where it says account settings. Now when we have come to this page, then we need to click on try bar symbol, basically in the top right corner. So click here. Now click on submit a request. Now just tap on it where it says what can we help you. Now we need to click on help and support. And now of course you need to write your email address. So do that, and that email address has to be the same that you have for your Discord account. Basically, so make sure that email address is exactly the same. And type of questions, we are going to scroll down and just click on general questions. You can write like, now you can write like change my age, something like that. And now I'm just going to click on description, and when you have to come on this step, then you need to write something like this. I need to change my age on Discord from your age that you have right now, and the correct age basically from X to Y, because I wrote incorrect age basically. So that's how you have to write something like this. And you can also write like in my account name. My account name is. So after you have written all of this, don't forget to click where it says submit that. Submit, that is very important. And basically what will happen now, that this message right here will go directly to Discord support. They are the only ones that can help us with this issue. So after this, just keep an eye on your email, and basically in the coming days after you have written this one, they will actually reach out to you on your email and help you with this. So I hope this video will solve your issue. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.